what does sonar sound like in a submarine? Imagine an eerie rhythmic ping vibrating through dense metal walls, resonating in the confined space like a bell that's submerged deep underwater. It's both calming and unsettling, a stark reminder of the ocean's depths. You'd think it's something out of a sci-fi movie, right? This ping serves a crucial purpose. It's the submarine's way of seeing through murky depths, allowing the crew to understand their surroundings without the luxury of windows. Imagine navigating through infinite darkness. Every ping is a heartbeat for the vessel. The sonar system sends out sound waves bouncing back to deliver essential information, like a superpower in underwater navigation. But let's be honest, when you rely on sound, it's easy to miss echoes, even trained experts. Pro tip, don't underestimate the acoustical complexity. Sometimes your sonar might pick up false signals, creating a cacophony. It's like trying to decipher voices in a crowded room. Maintaining cogent interpretation in noise is a big challenge. These sound waves travel surprisingly fast at around 1,500 meters per second. A torpedo, 53 meters per second. That's why sonar remains the unsung hero in subaquatic operations. And it's like, having an electric Ferrari amidst horse-drawn carriages. But it's not all smooth sailing. On rare occasions, inexperienced operators mistake marine life for enemy subs, a heart-pounding false alarm. Dolphins or enemy combat, talk about your classic Monday morning mix-up. And yes, dolphins love to mess with sonar pings. And if you're claustrophobic, living with this ping isn't easy. Imagine daily life in confinement with constant rhythmic sound. It's a unique lifestyle, kind of like living in Portland, but underwater, right? Now, if you're a tech geek, you'd love the passive sonar mode. It doesn't emit sound, but it instead listens to the ocean. Silence is golden, as they say. It offers a quiet peace in the ocean's chaos, a perfect blend of innovation and nature. Step-by-step active sonar is emitting signals. Passive sonar is receiving them, a perfect duo when curating safety and stealth in deep waters. The submarines whisper in the marine wilderness, master both, and you master underwater sorcery. But it's not always that simple. Maintaining and calibrating this equipment is a skill all its own. It's almost like tuning a piano blindfolded while it's playing a concerto. And nimbleness is key in this oceanic chess game. And the sonar's influence extends beyond the submarine's realm. It's utilized in medicine exploration, even by dolphins. What started for subs became a must-have for discovering the unseen. Side note, be thankful your doctor's equipment doesn't ping like a sub. And so next time you hear sonar, remember, it's more than just a sound. Yeah, it's the ocean's language translated by these magnificent underwater vessels unveiling secrets of the deep in ways we couldn't imagine before. Is it technology? Isn't technology brilliant?